Hello everyone, welcome back to Janice S's channel. And in this video today, I will be showing you how to make a homemade pineapple juice. And with this pineapple juice, you can have it at any time that you prefer, either for meals, you can have it for a snack, or any time during the day. And it's real simple to make, and I'm really excited to show everyone how to make it. In order to make this pineapple juice, there are a couple of things that you will need in order to make this. First of all, you need a pineapple, and before you cut up the pineapple, make sure that you wash the entire pineapple, because a lot of times it can have a lot of dirt around the pineapple, so make sure you wash it all up. And then also when you cut up the top piece of the pineapple and then you split it in half, you'll notice in the center of the pineapple you will find a really hard core in the center, and I usually remove that when I start making my drinks. Now the other thing that you will also need is 1 teaspoon of white sugar that you will put into the blender. You will also need 1 cup of water that will also go into the blender. And then once you have all the pineapple cleaned up and all that, and then you can dice them, and you can just make them in small chunks. And also the most important thing, when you cut your pineapple, make sure you have one of these knives. They're really sharp and it works best. If you try to use those smaller knives, they won't work as great because the top piece of the pineapple is really hard to cut. So definitely you will need one of these. And this other thing is optional if you want. Some people don't like to have the pulp on their drink, and others do. There's nothing wrong with drinking the pulp, but you can also use one of these things. They're called strainers. Now, when you make the drink and you're using the pulp, you're not removing the pulp from the drink. Make sure that when you drink it, to stir the juice before you drink it, because otherwise all that pulp sits on the top of the juice and it gets really thick and you won't be able to drink it as well. So make sure you stir that before you drink it. And also some people like to put ice in their drinks, which I like to do that myself, but either way you can put them in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to chill a little bit, so it'll be nice and cold when you're ready to drink the drink. Okay, so now I will get going and I will show you how to make this drink. It's really quick and easy, okay? Okay, the first thing that I am going to do is I am going to put all the pineapple chunks into my blender. And don't worry if you're not too sure on how to make this drink. I will post the information on the description down below, and I will let you know on how much sugar to use, how much water to use. So I will leave all those details there for you so it can help you on how to make this drink. The next thing that I will be putting into the blender is 1 teaspoon of white sugar and 1 cup of water. Once you have all those ingredients into your blender, then I will blend them all together. Now the pineapple juice is ready to be served, so I am going to pour it into these 2 glasses. And then I will put a little decoration onto the 2 glasses. I sliced some pieces of pineapple. That way you can put it onto your glasses, especially like when you have some company that are coming over to your house. And you can put some decoration in there as well if you like. It's optional. It just makes it look a little fancier. And then your drink is ready to enjoy. So like I said before, if you are going to drink the pineapple juice right away, that's great. If you're not and you're going to put it into in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, make sure you stir it after when you take it out of the refrigerator so you can enjoy it. And this drink is really good. It's delicious and it has a lot of vitamins and it's really healthy for you. Well, thank you for joining me today. And if you're interested in cooking and crocheting and you want to learn more about it, please make sure to subscribe and click on the notification button so that that way you don't miss any of my videos. And leave me a comment down below and let me know what you would like me to make next time for my other video. And I'll see you guys, and I hope everyone is doing great.